Okay, many students are facing the problem with respect to the execution of the Python programming using a mobile application, that is especially Chrome. Okay, what you need to do, you go to that background application. Okay, this background application should not be there before making your execution. Kindly close all the background application. Then get opened with respect to only Google Chrome. Okay, in that Google Chrome also, the multiple tabs should not be there. Okay, whenever you are having the multiple tabs, what you need to do? You close all those tabs. Okay, then you have only one empty tab itself. Okay, it means that only the Google Chrome, okay, with only one tab, because the remaining applications will also be what? Consuming the data in background running also, because you need to get the improved speed with respect to that utilization. Because of that reason, make sure all the background applications should be get cleared. Okay, now the application I have closed, then I have only the Chrome. Okay, in this search engine, you have to search the Google Colab. Preferably, you can use the Chrome itself. Okay, that is there in desktop mode. I will remove this desktop mode. Okay, now I searched the Google Colab. Okay, in this Google Colab, the first one itself is what? The description about the collaboratory, which to be provided by the Google research. But we don't want that, all those introduction, all those things. Then I will go for the second one, the Google Colab. Simply just you click on that Google Colab. Once you click, then you will get two options. One is the Open Colab, then another one is New Notebook. Okay, if you need to type the new code, what you need to do? You have to go for New Notebook. Once you open that new notebook, then you have to type the content what's to be required. Just I will go for New Notebook. Okay, I got opened. Then what you need to do? You have to rename the file. Okay, because you need to know what file name you are going to give for that. Okay, because of that reason, you know the particular experiment. Okay, that particular experiment you can rename. Okay, I will give practice. Okay, I'm giving the today's date. Okay, what is the today date? 10, 10, 10, 2023. Because I can easily understand what is to be required. Okay, I told you to write the comment, use hash. Okay, there is no necessity to type that comment. Just what you need to execute, that you can type itself. That is more than enough. Print, open parenthesis, single quote, welcome for execution using Chrome. Then close that single quote. Then bracket, if you want, keep the semicolon. Okay, once you did this, click on back, go for run. Okay, then you will get that particular output itself. Okay, it is connecting, then executing. Okay, that process which will take the time. You got here. Welcome for execution using Chrome. Okay, but now what I will do, these comments I will remove. Not necessary at all, because you to understand our manual, we have given that comments. That is to understand the concept what is to be present in the Chrome. Okay, so that is not necessary to write in your code itself. Okay, that is not at all be required. If this is in mind, then just you execute. For this, you will got output. Hope you understood this. Okay, this is how you need to require. Then you have to execute it. Next I want means, then I have to click on this plus. I got new tab. Okay, here whatever it is code is to be required now, that you can type. A equal to 23, B equal to 45, C equal to A plus B semicolon. I print only that is answer. So that print C I will give. Okay, remaining content I don't want. Then just you have to click on play button. What is that? 23 plus 45, 68. You got output. Okay, there is no necessity to type the comments. Try to avoid the typing of comments. Okay, but that is what we represented in our manual is to understand that one. What is that comment we have defined? Because of that reason only we have mentioned. Okay, this is how you need to execute your Colab. Okay, now I will directly go with respect to that of the existing coding, what is to be present. Okay, now what I will do, I will close this because I don't want it. Only one tab to be there. So that I have only one tab. Then I will go for, I don't want to type the code. Okay, already I have it present, so that I will go for open Colab. Once I open that, there will be options. One is example, recent, then Google Drive, GitHub, and upload. Okay, I discussed in your previous class also about GitHub. GitHub. Then I will proceed for the Google Drive because my codes are stored in Drive itself. Click on Drive. Okay, then what I executed? I executed lab 1 codes. Then I will click on that. Okay, already my code is there. I told that hash comment what is to be there. Not necessary to type for all the code itself. Keep this is in mind. Okay. Only you write the code what is to be required for the execution. But you have to mention that. What is that example number 1? That is 1.1 example. That is more than enough. Remaining is not at all be required. That you can proceed. Type that remaining. Import MATLAB lib dot py plot as plt. That is enough. X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then that hash x access values not required to type. Leave that because you have to understand what it is in your manual. Because of that reason only we are represented in your manual itself. Then what I will do? Simply I will click on this play button. Now it is disappeared. Then appeared. I got output. Okay, if your code is correct, then you will get output. If your code is not correct means, then obviously you won't get the output itself. Then sufficient internet speed should be there. Then only will get that output itself. Then second, then I'm executing 1.2 here. That image is also disappeared. Then I got output. Then 1.3. Here I got the exponential curve. Then what I'm doing, I'm executing. Disappeared and appeared. It means that code is executed, I got output. Then 2.1. I will execute. I got the output. Then 2.2. Disappeared. Then I got output. Then 2.3. I got output. Okay. Hope this will create the whatever the code which ought to be present. Then I have executed. Then I got the output itself. Okay. Keep that is in mind. The whatever these comments are there, try to avoid to type. Then type only the code what is to be represented. After hash, whatever content it is there, it is not necessary to type during your execution. Try to avoid. The remaining all the content you can type, then you will get that output itself. Okay, the many of them you have asked, then you are not getting the output. So that I executed, then I recorded the same code what I have typed here. Okay, then I am getting output means, then you people will also be type this code means, then you will also get the output itself. Okay, so that practice type properly, then you will get that precise output what is to be present. Okay, this is for your everyone kind information. Type content properly, then execute, you will get output itself. There is no problem at all. Still, if you got any error, then discuss with respect to the same. Thank you.